Careers can give you feedback on CVs and applications through our online question tool. You can access our Ask a Question tool through the Edge Hill Careers portal. We have a dedicated video that goes into more detail about this if you need help. To request a review of your application, click this drop box and select whichever option is relevant. You can select differently depending on what your application is for, whether it's a graduate position, a part-time job, or a placement. Then add a subject for your submission. This could be the type of application and its purpose, for example, CV for a summer internship. Now you can add any other details about your application that might be relevant. Bear in mind that the more context you give, the better informed our feedback will be. Finally, attach the document you want to be reviewed by selecting Choose File. Select the relevant document and then press Attach. After that, all you need to do is click Submit, and you successfully send your application for review. If you need any more help, visit ehu.ac.uk/contact careers.